Oh, Taylor about to set it off. What you got for me, Taylor? Oh, getting funky? Nice.
What up, y'all? It's Bill Dance. One half the world's famous MOP. Right now, you tune.
Okay.
FlashRadio.com. Let's go.
I see you listening. What you got, Elway? Okay. Let's go, Providence. What you got? One foot. Okay. Oh, that is not easy, people. Shout out to the B-girls. Oh, she about to get funky one time. What you got? What you got? What you got? Oh. Serving you that Montreal style. Oh, right back. Last round for Swift. Okay, Taylor. Oh. Nice. Last round. It's almost like a six. It's just don't get shot. Oh. I like that. Give it up, y'all. Give it up, y'all. You know what the time it is. Time for the judges to decide. In 3, 2, 1. Swift character.